In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use miles on the Alaska Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The option to use miles for your next flight using the Alaskan Airlines can be found when you go over to the book section on the home screen. So regardless of whether you are doing this process on the Alaska Air website or through the mobile app, what you have to do is tick this box when you use the search function. Click Use Miles as you can see highlighted over here. Now you can go ahead and proceed with the search as you wish. Include the departure city and the arrival, and you will be able to choose the amount of people who are traveling. As soon as you click Find Flights, as long as the Use Miles box is ticked, all the prices will be displayed in miles, and you will be able to sign into your Alaska Air account to see if you have the balance necessary to board. So all you have to do is click the flight that you wish to book, select Add to Cart, and proceed with the instructions shown on screen. Like I said, as long as you have the available balance and you are willing to pay the fee listed over here in dollars, you will be able to proceed to checkout, sign into your mileage account, and use your miles to book the flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to use miles on the Alaska Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.